Every restoration begins with discovery. Many Chrysler Imperials are found abandoned in barns, garages, or junkyards, covered in decades of dust, rust, and neglect. Their once proud chrome grilles dulled, leather interiors cracked, and engines seized from years of inactivity. The first look at such a vehicle often reveals extensive damage. Rust spreading across fenders and undercarriage. Missing trim pieces and badges. Broken glass or faded paint. Interior stripped or heavily worn. Despite the condition, the Imperial's bold design, long body lines, signature front grille, and luxury stance still hints at its former glory. This is where vision matters. A restorer doesn't just see damage, they see potential. Stage 1. Inspection and planning. Before any tools are picked up, a thorough inspection is critical. The goal is to assess the extent of restoration needed and decide whether it will be full frame-off restoration, complete disassembly, partial restoration, cosmetic plus mechanical fixes. Key areas to inspect: frame integrity, engine condition, transmission system, electrical wiring, suspension and brakes. A detailed plan is created including budget, timeline, and sourcing rare parts. Chrysler Imperial parts can be difficult to find, so networking with collectors and salvage yards is essential. Stage 2. Disassembly, stripping it down. The restoration truly begins with disassembly. Every component is carefully removed, labeled, and stored. This includes engine and transmission removal, interior, seats, dashboard, carpets, glass and trim, doors, hood, and trunk. Photographs are taken throughout the process to ensure accurate reassembly later. What remains is a bare shell, often revealing hidden rust and structural issues. Stage 3. Rust removal and body repair. Rust is the biggest enemy of any classic car, especially older Imperials. This stage is labor-intensive but crucial. Techniques used: sandblasting to remove surface rust, cutting out severely corroded metal, welding in new steel panels, applying rust inhibitors. Body panels are reshaped and aligned to factory specifications. Precision is key. Luxury cars like the Imperial demand perfect panel gaps and smooth lines. Stage 4. Engine rebuild, heart of the machine. The engine is completely disassembled and inspected. Many Chrysler Imperials came with powerful V8 engines, known for their smooth performance. Engine restoration includes cleaning and machining engine block, replacing pistons, rings, bearings, rebuilding carburetor, installing new gaskets and seals. If originality is the goal, factory specifications are followed strictly. Some restorers, however, opt for modern upgrades for reliability. Once rebuilt, the engine is tested before installation, ensuring it runs like new. Stage 5. Transmission and drivetrain. The transmission is restored or replaced depending on condition. This includes gear inspection and replacement, clutch or torque converter servicing, driveshaft balancing. A smooth drivetrain is essential to match the Imperial's luxury ride quality. Stage 6. Suspension and brakes. Comfort was a hallmark of the Chrysler Imperial, so restoring suspension is vital. Work includes replacing shocks and springs, rebuilding control arms, installing new bushings. Brake systems are fully upgraded, new brake lines, refurbished drums or discs, modern safety enhancements if desired. Stage 7. Electrical system overhaul. Old wiring can be brittle and unsafe. A complete rewiring ensures reliability. Upgrades include new wiring harness, restored dashboard gauges, updated lighting systems. Special attention is given to maintaining the original look while improving functionality. Stage 8. Interior restoration, luxury reborn. The interior is where the Imperial truly shines. Known for its elegance, restoring it requires craftsmanship. Interior work includes reupholstering seats with premium leather, restoring dashboard and instrument cluster, installing new carpets and headliner, polishing or replacing chrome accents. Attention to detail is everything. Stitching patterns, materials, and colors must match the original design. Stage 9. Paint and finishing. One of the most satisfying stages is repainting the car. After bodywork is complete. Process: primer application, multiple layers of paint, clear coat finishing, wet sanding and polishing. Classic colors, deep blacks, rich blues, or metallic silvers, bring out the Imperial's elegance. The final finish should reflect like a mirror. Stage 10. Reassembly, bringing it all together. With all components restored, the car is carefully reassembled. This includes installing engine and drivetrain, reattaching body panels, fitting interior components, aligning trim and chrome. Every bolt and screw is tightened with precision. This stage transforms the project from parts into a complete automobile once again. Stage 11. Testing and fine-tuning. Before hitting the road, extensive testing is performed. Checks include engine performance, brake responsiveness, suspension comfort, electrical functionality. Adjustments are made to ensure the car drives as smoothly as it did decades ago, or better. The final reveal, from rust to royalty. The moment of truth arrives when the restored Chrysler Imperial rolls out into the light. What was once a forgotten relic is now a stunning masterpiece. The chrome gleams. The engine purrs. The interior feels like stepping back into a golden era of American luxury. Why the Chrysler Imperial matters. The Chrysler Imperial wasn't just another car. It was Chrysler's answer to Cadillac and Lincoln. It represented innovation, prestige, and bold design. Restoring one is more than a project. It preserves automotive history. It showcases craftsmanship. It brings a classic legend back to life. Conclusion. A complete restoration of a Chrysler Imperial is a journey of patience, skill, and passion. From rust-covered beginnings to showroom brilliance, every step requires dedication. But the reward is unmatched, a timeless vehicle reborn, ready to turn heads and tell its story for generations to come. Whether you're restoring for personal pride, investment, or content creation, the Imperial stands as a symbol that true luxury never fades. It only waits to be rediscovered.